How's your morning, guys? Hello!
Hi.
Merry Christmas, sorry. Happy New Year to everyone. Samahan niyo kami sa pagsalubong mamaya sa bagong taon!
Huh?
Okay, bye-bye. Kiss. Kiss.
Oh my gosh. Hello guys, what's up? It's
Very
Oh my
funny.
god.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, Lovely. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be showing to you how we prepare our New Year's Eve celebration. So salamat sa pagbisita ngayon sa video na to. Today, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano namin ihanda yung pagsalubong namin sa bagong taon. Salamat guys sa pagtangkilik sa mga previous videos ko, sa mga vlogmas ko. Thank you for your support. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please hit like, subscribe, and share to your friends.
One eternity later.
Kunin ko yung husband ko dun sa hospital. Duty kasi siya. So, wag kayong mag-alala. Duty siya, nurse siya.
Good morning, guys. Sorry kakagising ko lang. Today, we will be preparing for the New Year's Eve, and I am taking over my sister's vlog since they're not here. Noon pa sila uuwi. So, what we are making today are chocolate chip cookies. Also, we will be making oatmeal cookies and no-bake cheesy macaroni. So, come on and join us and we'll have some fun. So, my mom already cooked shrimp for later. And also, nakaluto na din siya ng shells. It smells so good here, guys. Kapag nandito kayo, it's mouth-watering. Also, she has already cooked pork chops. Also, we have these ingredients. Since ngayon, tanghali na, my mom is preparing, what is it, mom? Fishball. Fishball?
For snacks.
For snacks. So, ito na yung salad, guys.
day.
So, I am going back home. Hello guys, good morning! This will be the last day of 2020. I'm so excited to celebrate New Year with you guys. So, ayan guys, doon kami natulog sa hotel with my husband. At saka ngayon, uuwi na ako sa amin. May dala akong cake with me kasi nag-request yung yung mga sisters ko na bumili na lang ng cake. So, ayun guys, magbe-birthday pala kasi si Duke, yung aso namin na cutie pie. Yung batang aso namin. So, ayun guys. So, ayun. Samahan nyo kami ngayon. Ang title ng video na to is, this is all about preparation for New Year at pagsalubong ng bagong taon. So, I'm so excited to be celebrating this with you guys for the very first time. I will be filming New Year with you guys. So ayun, pumunta ako sa mall kanina with my husband. Nagpalamig doon na kami nag-lunch. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi nagmamadali lang kami. So far, yung traffic condition, hindi siya masyadong traffic as what I've expected na traffic kasi syempre yung mga netizens bibili ng mga pagkain para sa bagong taon. Pero yung traffic is papuntang amin kasi meron kasing bagong market doon sa amin. So, ayun doon na siguro bumibili yung mga taga-amin. So, ayun guys, climate condition, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, medyo mainit, hindi umuulan unlike kahapon na whole day umulan, may thunderstorm pa. So ayan, samahan nyo kami sa pagsalubong namin sa bagong taon. So far tumawag ako na sa mga kapatid ko kanina, nagluto daw sila ng cookies. At saka I'm sure yung mama ko is nagluto na din ng mga pagkain para mamaya. Simpleng handaan lang. At dahil yung husband ko ay isang nurse at saka kailangan niyang mag-duty, wala siyang choice, mag-duty siya, doon na siguro siya matutulog sa hospital or yung pinakamalapit na kakilala niya kasi hindi siya pwedeng umuwi dito sa Lapu-Lapu City kasi maraming paputok dito sa amin. Hindi safe para sa kanya. Kasi several years ago, naputukan na kami ng paputok sa sasakyan. Kala talaga namin bomba. Buti na lang, walang nangyari sa amin sa loob ng sasakyan. Pero grabe yung impact ng sasakyan. Natanggal talaga yung gulong, yung ganun ba? So, hindi safe para sa kanya na umuwi ng Lapu-Lapu City. Kaya doon na lang siya siguro sa hospital matutulog o sa kakilala niya na taga doon din sa Cebu. Ayan guys, malapit na ako sa amin at saka yung mga tao ngayon busy dito sa amin kasi ito kasi yung barangay na papilo nagpapagawa. Dito bibili ng paputok yung mga taga Lapu-Lapu City, yung lahat ng mga taga Lapu-Lapu City. Kasi, kaya expect ko dito sa amin traffic talaga.
Meanwhile,
so need pa siya for a few minutes and then we'll be refilling for other cookie doughs. So here my sister is refilling another set of cookie dough. So unfortunately guys, hindi makaka-join yung kuya ko kasi he's off duty. So it's just us five, my mom, my dad, and my sisters. Dumating na yung sister ko. She was the one who bought the cakes for Christmas, for New Year's Eve. And also,
How are you?
hi! How was your day?
It was okay. It was not that
How's the traffic?
Huh?
How's the traffic?
Not that heavy.
Wala Chanel?
Wala
Dudumil?
siya.
Okay.
Hi!
How's your morning?
It was okay. Tiring.
Oh.
What's that?
Cakes! Dalawa.
Why dalawa daw?
There will be double celebration. So, mamaya, abangan!
So the last sets of cookies are put in. So we're taking it off sa oven.
This is our food later. Hindi pa to lahat. So, we have shells. Plato. Pansit. Shrimps. And our very famous no-bake cheesy macaroni. Ayan. Tapos fish rolls, kikiam. Hindi pa ito lahat. So, ito ang some of our fruits. Ito. Or cookies, freshly baked cookies. Tapos yung ano naman. Ayan. Beef. And fish. And another fish. So this will be our final setup later. Our center table. And my 2 sips. So this is our setup. Our ulams later. Ayan. These are our fruits. Beef, pancit, cake, another cake.